If you want to invert colors in Photopea, whether you want to do it non-destructively or only on a specific part of your image, this video will walk you through both methods step by step. This is a really useful trick for photo editing, mockups, creative effects, and quick design adjustments, and the best part is that it's easy to undo or refine if you use the right workflow. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's look at the non-destructive method using an adjustment layer. This is the best option if you want to invert colors without permanently changing your original image. To do that, go down to the bottom of the Layers panel in Photopea. Look for the new adjustment layer icon, which looks like a half black and half white circle. Click that icon and a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, choose Invert. As soon as you click Invert, Photopea creates a new adjustment layer above your image layer. This layer automatically flips the colors of everything underneath it. The great thing about this method is that it's completely editable. You can turn it on or off, move it around in the layer stack, or delete it anytime if you change your mind. So if you're editing professionally or you just want to keep things flexible, this is the safest method to use. Now let's move on to the second method, which is perfect if you only want to invert colors in a specific part of the image. This is very useful when you want to create a selective effect instead of changing the entire canvas. To start, select either the rectangle select tool by pressing M or the lasso tool by pressing L, depending on the shape of the area you want to target. Use the tool to draw a selection around the part of the image you want to invert. Once your selection is in place, make sure the correct image layer is selected in the Layers panel. This part is important because if you have the wrong layer active, the shortcut won't affect the area you want. After that, press Ctrl and I on Windows or Command and I on Mac. Photopea will instantly invert only the pixels inside your selected area. This method is great when you want precise control because it doesn't affect the rest of the image. If you need to fine-tune the effect, you can always undo and make a different selection or combine it with other editing tools for more advanced results. So whether you want a full inversion effect or just a small section changed, Photopea gives you both options, and that's how to invert colors in Photopea using both the non-destructive adjustment layer method and the selection-based shortcut method. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast Photopea tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.